Welcome to knot tying. In this event, we'll be tying 4 different knots, all in sequence. We'll begin with the clove hitch. We'll secure the clove hitch with a half hitch. We'll go then to the sheet bend and finish out the competition with the bowline around the waist. Notice on these ropes that will be provided, or you can bring your own if you prefer. These are 2 different size ropes. One is 7 foot in length, the other is 10 foot in length. You're going to need the 2 different lengths in order to have enough room to be able to do the event. Also notice that these are marked at 6 inches. That is to let you and the judge know that there is enough tail space. You're going to have at least 6 inches for each knot of tail space to make sure it's nice and safe. So you'll begin the event by placing your ropes however you want to on the ground. I'm going to start like that. And same thing on this event as the other events, as there will be a start line, and you will let the judge know when you are ready. Judge will give you a 3, 2, 1, go. You will then reach and grab whatever rope. I would start with the smaller one because you'll need it for the shorter distance. You will go then over, and you will come back around and make an X, just like so. The tail then goes back around and goes under the X, just like so. This is the shape that you're looking for. You're looking for 2 parallels and one that goes over the top of it. So when you pull, it tightens down on itself, just like so. The next knot is nothing more than a half hitch. You will use that tail end to go around the support line and tuck it back around. Notice how when I pulled the tail, I had to pull a little more to make sure that I have exactly, or at least 6 inches of tail. So those are those 2 knots. Next we moved on to the sheet bend. You will need both ropes for this. You will begin by using the original rope and making a loop, like so. Then the rabbit, which is this green rope, will go out of the hole, around the tree, or both ropes, and under the root, like so. Notice that I have both 6 inches of tail, at least 6 inches of tail on both sides, and that the tails are on the same side. That is also important. From there, we'll move on to the bowline around the waist. Because I'm right-handed, I choose to use my right hand to operate because I can do this a little faster. I notice how I have enough tail space here that I'm not getting too short. I need to be able to have some tail room here. So from there, we take the tail line and go over the support line. Notice how it wraps around my wrist, go under, and then go around the support line. Switching hands then, grab it, pull through the loop. Notice how I have, again, 6 inches, at least 6 inches of tail, and how the tail is on the inside, not on the outside. That's a different knot. So we're going the tail on the inside to secure that. And that is knot tying.